Hey sis, how you doing? Happy first day of August. I hope today you're feeling blessed and not stressed. I am going to share with you something new that's dropping from Coach. In the next 13 days, it will be online. And shout out to my SA for letting me preview this collection last week. Sis, I do not have any bag like this in this print or style in my collection. So I had to jump on this opportunity to get one. Now, a lot of thought went into the purchase of this handbag. This bag is made of calf hair. That is extremely delicate. And girl, you know I don't baby no bags. So I chose to get the small Bandit. This print comes in the regular Rogue size, the larger Bandit, the Rogue 12, and the Cassie, but the Cassie is all leather with the printed leopard design, and the card case is all leather with the printed leopard design. They also have a few zebra prints that will be coming out on the 14th, officially on the website. Forgive me if I'm off by a day or two, but that's what I was told. So let's get back to this Bandit. Of course, it comes with a long crossbody strap, and I plan on wearing it this way sometimes, but not all the time. I really want to carry it like a clutch, but for the purpose of this video, here's how it looks on me crossbody. You already know that I like to switch things up. So I grabbed the shoulder strap that goes to my classic black swinger just to see how it would look on this Bandit bag. But let's see how it really looks. Tell me what you think in the comments. So once again, I considered the back of this bag because it is all leather and it will not mess up the calf hair while I am wearing it. And so for me, it was a good choice. This bag is so cute, sis. So cute. I just had to get it. So if you'd like to get your hands on this collection before it officially launches on the Coach website, follow me on Instagram and reach out to me via DM, and I will send you the name of my essay. I do want to protect her privacy. So look out for the what fits and a more detailed video coming on my YouTube channel, hopefully by the end of this week. But don't forget to let me know, what do you think about this bag? Are you feeling it or no? Anyway, thank you for watching this video, sis. Bye.